Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miss Wonderful's Squirrel Catching Tournament. I am joined, there's Raffles. I'm joined by our special guest, Poncho.
Hello, good evening, happy to be here. It's looking like it's going to be an impressive turnout from the pets we have available for us today. We're going to have an impressive lineup, aren't we, April?
Yeah, we are. It's going to be great. We got quite a few pets here, so we're going to start taking them out and we're going to start introducing them. So we've got Cordelia here, and Cordelia, she's from Shayna at Kismet, and along with her came Domino, and these are some very cute cats. Domino looks like a domino. That's why he's named Domino.
Really a unique color. You don't see that all that often.
Look how happy he is.
And the energy that they're bringing to the table, it's really going to show itself well, I think, in tonight's activities.
Yeah, Domino's all over the fish, too. These two presumably get along. But we're going to bring out Leo here. Leo is some kind of Chihuahua mix. He's from Thor. He seems pretty glad to be here with the cats.
Dressed dapper as always.
Wow, they're making they're making some noise. It's a party. Leo likes Domino.
It's going to be an impressive show. Wow.
Then we've got Raffles here. Raffles, who is from
Lob.
Lob, that's right. Lob. And then I think Lob also sent Ruffian. Ruffian is a black alley cat. So I think Ruffian is someone's getting angry. Oh, it's Cordelia. I think Cordelia doesn't like Leo.
Seems to be a little bit protective of his space, a little bit apprehensive to blend with the others, but hopefully we can have everybody get along this evening.
They're trying to have a good, they're trying to socialize. I think they're doing all right. The cats are keeping to themselves and the dogs are over in one corner. And then we have Sombra, the badger. Sombra is an oddball. Sombra is a badger, so hopefully she doesn't get discriminated. Oh no! Domino got in a fight with Ruffian. Wow, Ruffian must live up to his name.
Yeah, he looks like he's seen a thing or two in his day, and he's really bringing that feist and that might to this evening's competition. Hopefully he'll be able to keep it in the competition and off of the sidelines. We wouldn't want him getting disqualified.
The Ruffian looks like he might have been in a scrap before, like he might have some patches of fur missing.
That's number two.
Yeah, Trippy and Sombra are Poncho's pets. They're new competitors in the Summer Olympics. Things are getting exciting rather quickly, and then Sunny, which is my doggo. She ate a squirrel once before in a mousing trial, so I think that she's going to do really well tonight.
Certainly shows promise for today's standings. I think that she could really make history, maybe even.
Maybe. We'll see who is the most savage in tonight's competition. We're going to take them to the backyard, and oh no, okay.
All right.
We're going to see. Let's make sure mouse holes are not closed. So we'll get some cheese to tempt the mice out of their holes.
Bringing everybody along to the field trip.
Gonna just load up the carry case with cheese so that we can lure some squirrels. Everybody's having a good chit chat. It sounds like a lot of vocalizations.
Absolutely. Everybody seems to be having a grand old time together. You can feel the excitement and the anticipation in the air.
Okay, so we're gonna they will probably eat some cheese, but maybe the cheese will help lure the squirrel. What if they don't come out? What if this whole thing's goop? And then we just have cake dissolves into chaos. But yeah, they're trying to eat the cheese. Maybe. Maybe we can actually get some rodents to show their furry faces.
Absolutely.
Oh, there is one. There's a rodent on the floor.
Oh, ruffian straight at it. That combat experience is really going to come out ahead for him. Let's see.
Where did it go?
The squirrel seems to have taken off, and half of the competitors have seemed to have lost.
We need more bait.
Trippy, my cut, has seemed to have given up on the competition entirely in favor for a nap. So we're going to be having to talk about that one later, Trippy. The field is showing opportunities bare this evening. Perhaps we might be lucky.
I think it's quite noisy, and the squirrels don't want to show.
Yeah, it's very true. That just means that whenever they catch a squirrel, it's all that more special.
Indeed, we must wait for the squirrels to come out. I wonder if there would be some in a different place scene. Because I'm about sure
Perhaps in the...
there is a squirrel hole in this random backyard here. Actually, it's mine. It's a play scene I created. I wonder if a squirrel will come out. They must be rather frightened. Wow, it's getting exciting. They're just running around having a great time. Oh, it looks like Raffles and Trippy are getting to know each other.
Wonderful. That's some great socializing. You always want to see that out on the field.
Ruffian is playing with the ball instead of fighting with Domino. That's a good thing.
Absolutely. It seems as though Ruffian has been able to make amends with those he doesn't agree with.
Yeah, and then Trippy and Sombra were playing. Maybe the backyard offers more potential because I think there were two mouse holes there. Oh, why is Trippy sad? Oh, I think somebody hurt Trippy's feeling. He's napping. He's sleeping his worries away.
Hey, Trippy. At least Sombra's there to give him.
Oh, Sombra's like, why are you sleeping? Why are you resting, Trippy? Leo is, might be trash talking Sunny. I don't know. There's, angry eyes. And then Cordelia's running around. There's chaos. Hopefully, some squirrels will come out. I feel like they're having stage fright. This whole thing is dissolving into chaos. And then Sombra has a stick in her mouth. Let's get some frisbees going. Well, actually, most of them are cats, though.
Well,
so they can't catch the frisbee.
perhaps we...
Maybe if we focus on the frisbees, the squirrels will come out.
Maybe perhaps with a bit less vocalization, although they love to make noise around each other. It seems to be something that just gives them joy. At the end of the day, we're here for the fun of the sport, not the actual sport. The chance to get together and socialize and
It's the congregation.
Together. Absolutely.
It's a celebration of the congregation for recreation.
And so rarely do you get to have this many pets from this many different people operating together and, growing as a society and as a population. It's really nice. It gives it a true identity.
It's really quite the spectacle. Maybe in the family room we'll have a squirrel problem.
Perhaps.
A squirrel solution. Because there are two squirrely holes in the wall. So maybe some will come out to play. I wonder how much time we have 7 minutes left. Well, almost 8 minutes left. So maybe some squirrels will come out. Sunny is mad about something.
I think tensions are a little bit high right now, but given enough time, everybody can work their issues out.
Maybe while they wait, maybe they would like some music. Maybe we could find some dance or something.
Oh, perhaps so. They certainly love.
Wow, what a calm setting. I don't know if it could be any more peaceful.
It is quite the scenario happening right now. Lots of different pets doing different things.
And they keep, wow. I don't know why they keep messing with all that stuff. It's like they just, I don't know, they're acting a little crazy. Let's see who wants to play with music. Oh, of course. I think some of them just kicked off the music box. Yeah, they all want to play with the music. They all want to be the DJ. I wonder if anyone has any good moves.
You know, I really think that Ruffian could be a big contender on the dance floor. I mean, something about him just tells me he's seen a thing or two and he's had a boogie. Oh yeah, he's busting out the
Domino
moves.
looks very pleased with the music. He's just like, yes, this music is so
Ruffian
fun.
is busting up.
Oh, he is.
He's getting down.
I thought maybe he was having some sort of seizure, but that's dancing. It's the art. Oh, look, Domino's, but he's harassing the music box.
Yeah, he seemed to be much happier when the original song was playing before everything went downhill. He just summed up.
Maybe the squirrels are having a party and oh wait, look at him here. Did you see that? He knew he was like, oh, is she about to go?
You know, folks, sometimes that's just how
Come on, look, Leo's going for the squirrel. He's like, are you gonna come out?
Oh.
Yeah.
Sonny's showing some real initiative.
Sonny's all, I'm doing my confident pregnancy waddle. Yeah, that's right. Sonny's pregnant. And, maybe I was hoping the baby could have some good squirrel catching influence. But we haven't caught it. Nobody's caught any yet. Some of them are quite frankly sleepy. Sombra and Trippy they're just having a peaceful time.
It's much more excitement than they're used to. They're usually at home playing with each other. I think they're grateful
it looks
for
like
the opportunity.
Ruffian was interested in that frisbee.
Strange behavior for a cat. Right?
Too bad you can't summon squirrels on command. Like you have a squirrel in a cage whenever you want to release the squirrel. Oh, looks like Leo just he almost kicked on the good music. But what does the fox say?
Leo seems to be really disturbed by the music box, giving it the evil eyes. Seems to be a...
Yeah, Domino's afraid of someone. They are harassing the music box. They don't know what the objective is because the squirrels they're not exactly volunteer participants, so I think they know what's up. They're like, there are a bunch of animals out here. We don't want them to hurt us. Domino has refined taste, so I could tell by the way he lies. They're getting kind of tired. I think they deserve some athlete juice. Yeah, see, look, they're trying to go for it. The hot cocoa for all. Yeah, let's give them some hot cocoa. I give them on the desktop background. Give them some hot cocoa. Yeah.
That's awesome.
And apparently they can eat and drink better on the desktop because for some reason. And then Raffles found a chunk of meat. Ruffian is he's shy. All the others are drinking the hot cocoa. He's timid.
Perhaps with enough time, he seems to be coming around.
He found his own precious hot cocoa.
He just had to learn that there was enough to share.
And Sonny pounced on Domino.
Oh. Risky behavior for a pregnant mom.
Oh, look, Ruffian is having the time with the hot cocoa. Gonna spill it. Watch yourself.
Oh my. Domino and Sunny certainly seem to be hitting it off. Everybody seems to be having a nice grand old time, just have found their place and are happy.
Everybody's calmed down and gotten over their feelings toward one another, any negative feelings. And the focus is still unclear. The squirrels don't want to show their faces. And Leo's afraid of someone. Is it Sunny bossing everybody around with her pregnancy mood swings? I don't know. Aw. Some of them are, yes, I don't know why Sunny's being kind of, yeah, she's being a little sassy there.
Well, she was expecting to catch some squirrels and everybody else scared them off.
Yeah, she knew what was up. Yeah, she was ready. She wanted a squirrel to eat tonight, and she didn't get that. Oh, looks like Raffles and Leo are open to catching a frisbee. Oh, Leo managed to catch a frisbee.
Impressive.
Leo may have a talent as a frisbee dog. And Sombra and Trippy just love to nap. That's one thing they have in common.
Absolutely.
Leo might catch another frisbee. Leo's shaking his butt trying to catch the frisbee. Oh, squirrel!
Oh. Squirrel!
Someone catch that. Someone get it. No more frisbee. Where did it go? It's gone. Oh, I just seen it. Now it's gone. Just like that. Well, looks like the timer went off at just the right time because, yeah. Well, let's tally up the score.
Well, after some serious calculations, I think we might need to send this off to the boys down in accounting to do the math. Seems as though none of our contestants actually managed to successfully catch a squirrel. However, the friendships we made along the way will never be forgotten.
And that's what matters the most.
Absolutely.
They had fun. They seen just a glimpse of a squirrel, but I think they had a grand old time. And now it's nap time for Cordelia and Rufian and Sombra and Trippy, and they're sleepy.
Everybody seems to have really enjoyed themselves. And
Yeah,
thank you to everybody for their submissions.
Yeah, thank you everybody for letting their pets participate, and I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. This has been unsuccessful but successful at the same time, I would say. So thank you everyone.
Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.